Hello, here is another question from Resnick Halliday. So the question is from chapter 4 and it is problem number 27. This is Resnick Halliday's 10th edition. So let me little zoom in so that we can read the question. The question reads, a certain airplane has a speed of 290 km per hour and is diving at an angle of theta, that is 30° below the horizontal. When the pilot releases a radar decoy, the horizontal distance between the release point and the point where the decoy strikes the ground is 700 meters. It has two parts. The first part asks, how long is the decoy in the air? And the part B asks, how high was the release point? So in this question, let's make a diagram. Suppose this is the velocity of the aeroplane, which is 290 km per hour, and it is directed at an angle of 30° below the horizontal. Let this be the vertical height, that is h, and this is the horizontal distance that it covered, that is 700 meters. Now the part A says how much time was it in the air. So we'll have to find the horizontal component of the velocity, which is given by 290 into 5 by 18. I am multiplying it by 5 by 18 to convert it into meter per second. Cos 30°. Now this is the velocity, the horizontal component of the velocity, which is directed along this line. Let t be the time after which it will strike the ground. So during this time t, it covers a distance of 700 meters. So our equations become 290 into 5 by 18 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 times t, which is equal to 700. If you simplify this, you'll get t as 10.034 seconds. This answers the first part. Now, what is the initial velocity, initial vertical velocity? So that is 290 into 5 by 18 times sine 30, and sine 30 is half. And it undergoes an acceleration 9.8 meter per second square for time t equal to 10.034. So how much distance does it cover is basically the height from which it was dropped. Now using the formula s equals to ut plus half at square, we can calculate the height. So h is equal to 290 into 5 by 18 into half times t, that is 10.034 plus half into 9.8 times t square, that is 10.034 square. And if you calculate this, this comes out to be 897.484 meters.